One day I woke up to find my world shattered, my dream job gone, and my life savings depleted. The company I had worked tirelessly for over a decade, had crashed overnight. I felt like a ship lost at sea, drowning in despair. The rug was pulled from under me, and I was left grappling with the harsh reality of starting from scratch. In this bleak phase, my sister gifted me a dilapidated camera, a relic from our childhood. With nothing but time on my hands, I started capturing mundane things, the break of dawn, the city's hustle-bustle, the tranquility of dusk. Gradually, I found joy seeping back into my life, one photograph at a time. Months later, a local gallery discovered my work and gave me a chance to showcase my photographs. The event was a hit, and I found myself in the limelight as a budding photographer. The journey was challenging, but I trudged through, turning my darkest hour into my brightest dawn. The road to redemption is often paved with trials, but it's in those trials that we find our true potential. When life throws you off track, don't be afraid to start anew. You never know what hidden talents lie within you, waiting to be discovered. In the face of adversity, remember, you are stronger than you know, and it's never too late to rewrite your own story.